Damn, bro. First of all, why you even hiding in the refrigerator in the first place, bro?
Yeah, but I got a new stash box. Right here, man. Honey bunches of oats. Right there.
Damn, in the cereal box? Nobody eat cereal out here?
Nah, my little man don't eat that, man. Nobody ain't no honey bunches of oats. Hell no. Yo, but on some real shit, though. You know what I mean? The shit you gave me is sweet and everything. This is my mommy right here. But it be like, pop, pop. I need some shit that's gonna go boom, boom, bing, boom, boom. Yeah, I want niggas' grandmas falling over shopping carts. You know what I mean? All them shits right there. Some loud shit. Shit that make niggas run. Wake up out they sleep type shit. Like, what the fuck going on outside? You know that cheat code shit. That shit that make everybody dead. One shot type shit. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, bitch.
Alright, man. I see what I can do for you, bro.
Alright.